is the GoPro, man. Now we can pump out videos, baby. Let's go. Right when we pull up, the security pulls up. Let's see if he kicks us out. No? No, you don't give two shits. You don't give a... Let's pop the hood then, dude. Let's show off this Procharger. Literally feels like forever since I filmed a video for you guys. But here we go. Pop the hood for you. Show you the magic. Alright, take two. Came to a different location. I didn't want there to be fan noise, since there was a lot of fan noise over there in that little garage. And here she is, my P1SC Procharger. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It has been forever, but we back. I'm out here with my boy Randall, who's been helping me make videos since pretty much the start, right, man?
Yes, sir.
What we got?
Finally installed the Procharger.
So I couldn't really upload much for you guys over the past few months because I've been having computer issues, but that's all resolved now. And I also did have issues with the kit when we installed it. We did not install, I guess you can say, these little shims that connect the bracket, the whole bracket that holds the blower onto the car. We didn't install these shims right. So basically these shims back here are longer than these shims, I think, or vice versa. I don't know which way it is, but one is longer than the other and we didn't install them right, and what that causes is the belt to shred. I'll put up a picture if I have one, but that causes the belt to shred. And when I first gave this car some juice, it shredded that belt. It like completely tore it apart. So I had to go and get that fixed. Got it fixed with the shop, and they put a new belt for me. They pretty much they realigned the whole pulleys, everything. They touched up the whole system for me pretty much. But all in all, the kit's now on the car, installed properly. And let me see, and if you guys can see right there, it says Procharger on it. We got the bullet blow-off valve installed on there. Originally I had the one that came with the kit, the ProFlow blow-off valve, which is not that loud. So now we have those loud whoosh sounds on the car. So
cue the whoosh sounds.
Yeah, man, now the car sounds insane. Sounds so amazing. I love it. I've always dreamed of my car sounding like this. 17-year-old 18-year-old me would be drooling right now. What you think, bro?
Long time coming, dude. We started from nothing. Look at us now, dude.
I know, dude. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. I've had this car for almost about 10 years now. It's been a long time coming, and I'm just so proud to have this on my car, man. And for those of you that are curious about the tune, it is being tuned by MPT still, but it's still only on the second tune from MPT because I had the whole belt issue. But it's still going to be tuned by MPT, and hopefully one day I want to push it to hopefully like 500 wheel horsepower. That's the goal for this car. I think that's like the goal number I want to safely put on this car. I know I got to upgrade to 85 and downgrade in pulley size and all that, but the main goal one day is to go 500 wheel horsepower. It's not pushing much power right now. It does have more balls than before, I'll let you know that, but it's not anywhere near what it's gonna peak at. I'll tell you that for sure. love this car. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. That's pretty much all we got for you guys today. Just wanted to make a quick little preview of the Procharger on the car. The car's running beautifully right now. Knock on dashboard, hopefully it stays that way. But if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me and drop a thumbs up. It helps us out more than you think. It'll help us keep making videos for you guys. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. God first, God bless, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.